So you are ready to buy land in Nigeria. Before you send a dime, here are 5 non-negotiable things you must do, whether you are in Nigeria or abroad. Skipping any of these steps could cost you your money, peace of mind, or even both. My name is Diaspora, your trusted Enugu-based realtor. I help smart investors like you, both in Nigeria and Diaspora, make the right property moves without stress or regrets. If you are serious about buying land the right way, especially in Enugu or anywhere in Nigeria, stick with me. One of the things you have to do to buy right is to define your goal. Why are you buying land? Is it for building your dream home, for rental apartment, or just to buy and hold till the value goes up? Your goal determines everything. For residential, go for dry, build-ready land close to roads and infrastructure. Then for investment, target high-growth areas like Centenary City, Independence Layout Phase 2, Nikiag 6, Owo, and others. Without clarity, you will likely buy the wrong type of land in the wrong location, and obviously you regret it. Step 2. Know your budget and hidden costs. 2 million naira for land sounds sweet until you hear about the survey, legal fees, and development fees. Include these in your budget: the price of the land, survey plan, legal and documentation, developmental fees, and others. Always ask for a full breakdown in writing. Don't assume anything. Then step 3. Work with a trusted real estate professional. You need someone who knows the terrain, literally and legally. Here is how to choose the right agent. Number 1, they must have strong online presence and traceable. Work with someone that has a strong online presence and is traceable. Someone that has deep local knowledge and also offers inspection, title verification, and after sales support, and someone that can provide references for past deals. This is not the time to follow someone just because they sound convincing on Instagram. Step 4, do your due diligence. Due diligence is your insurance policy in real estate. You can't afford to skip it. And here are what to verify. You verify titles like C of O, excision, deed of assignment, the survey plan with beacon numbers, ownership claim. Then this is where you have to find out, is it a family land, estate land, government acquired, or others. Then where do you do this kind of verification? You go to Ministry of Lands, and in Enugu you also do your verification in NGs, which stands for Enugu Geographical Information System. And you can also use your lawyer or legal consultant to help you out carry out this search. If the seller can't provide this, that's your red flag waving. In step 5, which is the final step for today, inspect the land physically or virtually. Don't buy air. Always inspect the land, even if it is through a video if you are not in Nigeria. Visit the land yourself, ask to see the exact plot, check beacons, location, road access. If you are abroad, request for a virtual tour or a virtual inspection through WhatsApp video call. You can also ask for drone footage, nearby landmarks, and surroundings. Or you can send someone that you trust, not just emotionally, but someone who understands land. Many buyers forget to ask, when will my allocation happen? How is it done? When will I get a plot number? That's how people buy land, but wait 3 years and still don't know where their land is. Don't be one of them. Now let's summarize the 5 steps. The 5 things you must do before buying land in Nigeria. Number 1, you said you should define your goal. Number 2, you must know your total budget. Number 3, work with a trusted professional. And number 4, do your due diligence. And number 5, which is also very, very important, inspect the land physically or virtually. Ignore these steps and you may lose your money, or worse, end up with a piece of land that will take away your peace of mind. Now that you know what to do, don't take chances. If you are ready to buy verified land in Enugu, I can guide you through it step by step, transparently and professionally. Call or WhatsApp me today on 07060811333. Let's get it done the right way from day one. Like, share, and subscribe for more real estate wisdom that saves you money, stress, and costly mistake. Thank you, and see you some other time.